A company two-room is staffed by one clerk who can serve 12 production employees on the average each hour. The production employees arrive at the two-room every 6 minutes. In this tutorial, I'm going to find the measures of performance. So I'll start by looking at the information that we are given. We are given that there is one server. So for the performance measures, we are looking at the performance measures of a single server queuing system. And we are having the service rate there. Our mu is at 12 per hour. And the arrival rate, we are given our lambda there is a 1 every 6 minutes. Just because we are having one employee arriving every 6 minutes. But looking at the service rate and the arrival rate there, we see that they have different units. The service rate is per hour. The arrival rate is in minutes. So when making calculations for the performance measures, it is recommended that the service rate and the arrival rate have the same units. So in this case, I'll convert the arrival rate to per hour, and the 1 per 6 minutes, it translates to lambda equals to 10 per hour. So now that they are of the same units there, we can now go on and calculate the occupation rate, the rho. And the occupation rate rho is equals to lambda divided by mu, which gives us a 10 divided by 12, which simplifies to 5/6. We now go on and look at the performance measures. And the first one I will look at is the mean number of customers in the system. For the mean number of customers in the system, we find it using the formula rho divided by 1 minus rho. So we are substituting the value of the rho there, the 5/6, and we'll get that the mean number of customers in the system is 5. And the average time spent in the system is given by 1 divided by mu divided by 1 minus rho. Our mu, we are saying, is at 12. Our rho is 5/6. When you substitute those values into the average time spent in the system, the sojourn time, we get 0.5. I now move on to the next performance measure. We are looking at the mean number of customers in the queue. The mean number of customers in the queue is given by rho squared divided by 1 minus rho. Substituting the value of rho, the 5/6 there, we get that the mean number of customers in the queue there, it gives us a 4.17. But here we are talking about people. We can't have 4.17 people. So we have to write our value there as an integer. 4.17 is approximately equals to 4. So the mean number of customers in the queue is a 4. Then the last performance measure, the average waiting time. And the average waiting time is given by rho divided by mu divided by 1 minus rho. Our mu there is at 12. Our rho, we said it's 5/6. Substituting those values there, we get the average waiting time is 0.42 hours.